How to connect your TikTok account with your Facebook account. What's up everyone? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily connect both of your TikTok and Facebook account at once. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into the video. First thing first, you'll have to open up your Facebook application and make sure you're Now once you're logged into your account, you'll find the menu icon at the top right corner. From here, you just have to head over to your profile. And once you tap on your profile section, if you scroll down, you'll find your details option. So just tap on see more about your info. And here under your contact info, you have an option to add social link. So just tap on it. And here on the social link, you can go ahead and add a social link. And Facebook gives you an option to choose your platform. So you'll just have to find TikTok here and then simply enter your TikTok username and Facebook automatically will fetch out your information and connect your TikTok. So like this, so go ahead and tap on done and then tap on save. And as you can see here, your TikTok account has been successfully connected with your Facebook. Now, if you tap on this, you will be redirected to your profile on Facebook. And it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and I'll catch you guys on the next video.